What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. This is a highly requested video. How to caulk your shower walls where the two planes meet. What I've done is simple. I mocked this up for a few other videos. It is a scaled down 3-wall shower with the niche. And we will show you how to caulk where the two planes meet. Now, the benefits of caulk mainly is because it's a lot more flexible than your grout. It reduces the chances of it cracking. It also is much quicker and easier to do. Now guys, there are two different types of caulk. You have your 100% silicone grout matched caulk. You also have your siliconized acrylic, which is stained, mold, and mildew resistant. Now it's also very highly recommended to try your best to find your 100% grout matched silicone, but if you can't, you can always use the siliconized acrylic. We've had good results with it, haven't had any callbacks whatsoever. Now you will have a lot more choices with your siliconized acrylic. You've got Mape, you've got a very popular one here, Color Fast. We will use Color Fast, Bright White, and here is the tool that we'll show you how to install the caulk with. This is by Homax. Now you don't necessarily need to buy this combo kit. You have one tool to remove old caulking. You have a second tool to add new caulking. As this video is guided towards tile installation, shower builds, I would recommend purchasing this. It's only $2. Link will be in the description below. Once you get the hang of this, it'll be very rare that you go back using your finger. So here's the tool. Very small, again, $2. This is a small rubber tool with a rubber tip to wipe off the excess caulk. So here's your $2 Homax rubber tool. Again, this alleviates the need to use your finger. You make a big mess that way. This can accomplish the same job, the same look, and we will demonstrate how it works today. Without further ado, let's move on in close and show you how this thing works. Here we go. So again, here is your little tool. Another quick tip, you can simply spray this down with alcohol in a spray bottle to help the process, or simply wet the tip with some water. It helps as well. Now caulk where the two walls or the two planes meet. And then embed the caulking with this. And there you go. Nice, clean, caulked joint. We'll do the same on the other side. Using this cheap $2 tool makes a lot less of a mess and speeds up time. Multiple uses for this. It is well worth the $2 investment. Highly recommended. Well, there you go guys, an easy way to caulk your shower walls. You can use this to caulk the bottom of a backsplash, the perimeter of the bathtub where the tile meets the flange, installing beads of clear silicone when you install your shower doors, all the way down to caulking your baseboard. As usual, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, and most importantly, share this video if you know anybody who might find this tool useful. And I'll see you guys on the next one.